Hi guys, it's Lena here, and today I want to talk about Christmas decorations and why you don't need a Christmas tree. So, over the past maybe 5 or 6 years, I've came to realize that more and more, year after year, I was putting up a Christmas tree just out of a habit, and I didn't really enjoy the process. So I remember that a year ago I was desperately watching tons of Christmas films to get me into the state of festivity, of joy, of this Christmassy spirit. But and so I decided to assemble a Christmas tree, to decorate it, to decorate my house, to bake some sweets, some special Christmas treats. And you know what? Although it was very fun, I realized that it was just my wish to fit, because I didn't feel that Christmas spirit. I didn't feel that joy, but I just desperately wanted to feel it. I wanted to be as everyone else. So and after that time, I decided that if I didn't want to do something as everyone does, I would probably think about it beforehand. So the year before, I didn't assemble my Christmas tree. I have an artificial one, and with a lot of very beautiful antique ornaments, but I didn't feel like it because I thought it was something from my past. Because of course, as a child, I really liked all my Christmas tree. I really liked looking at all the ornaments, but now I feel it like an obligation, because I don't know how it is usually done in your countries, but in Russia, we usually decorate our decorations in the beginning of December, and it's a joke that sometimes by the springtime, when it is considered the start of spring, when it's International Women's Day, and it is celebrated on the 8th of March. And usually it's a joke when some people still have their Christmas trees. By the time, of course, they are artificial Christmas trees. And sometimes in my household it happened almost the same, because we don't rush to get rid of all the ornaments. We feel that it's an additional job to make. And so most of the time we put a lot of time aside to get it done. And also it takes a lot of time to put all the ornaments in order. And I think it's too much time, and you can put it in use otherwise, really. So this year I've decided not to get a Christmas tree. I've decided to donate my Christmas tree and all my ornaments, because I don't feel like doing it. I don't feel like wasting my time decorating. And you know what? Also, I see so many decorations in stores. I see people buying them more and more, and it's such a wasteful thing, to my opinion, because most of those decorations are pulled ugly. As I can see it. And I know that most of the people don't really value them, because they are so cheap and they can throw them away almost immediately. And I think, of course, if you enjoy Christmas, if you enjoy all the fuss about the Christmas tree, you should do it. But I really wanted to record this video for those who feel a little bit upset, a little bit out of sorts during this period, because If you don't really feel the Christmas spirit, you don't have to force it on yourself. You just live your normal life, and sometimes it can be hard, but you can make some simple holidays for yourself every day. And if you it sounds very cheesy, I know, but if you just wish to do something beautiful, well, if you want your house or your apartment look beautiful, just decorate it anytime you want. And if you don't feel it, well, you're fine too, you're okay too, you're not to blame. So this was my very short video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.